Okay? So it's for motion palpation, I can tell that there's an issue. Okay? Now, what I want you to do is put this hand behind your head, sir. Okay? Now, I'm working the trigger point. Let go. I'm working this trigger point, and I'm putting rotation in while I hold, and the other way. So I'm forcing motion. I'm forcing the vibration energy to that point. Now come back to here, put your arm down. Any change in that spot?
It's not as tender.
Not as tender. We like that. This whole thing's not as tender. Okay? So the traps are tight. Now I find that just working the machine, turn this way. Okay, with you not being as strong as Paul, I can't give you the 1 pound weights. Okay, now the other way. What I find is just doing this will relax the traps. And a massage therapist, if I demonstrate, as far as you can go, when I demonstrate to a massage therapist, they palpate before and after, or the chiropractor. Now turn the other way, as far as you can go. Okay.
Paying attention.
He says that he'd like me to speak slower for him. Oh, did I misunderstand? Okay, see how that's more relaxed there? Okay. Now, I'm going to have you turn around and face me. Doc, one more thing that I do with this, hold your shoulders, hold your shoulders, like this. If I found an anterior, I mean, he's tall, I would adjust it this way. Come, bend your knee. Bend. See, I would get him to just keep bending until I find, and it's not a strain for the patient, it's not a strain for the doctor. For me, it's easier than doing it on the table for the anterior, and we get a good release. And does that feel better?
Much
better. Okay. I can go in here like this and motion palpate the neck, and if he's got a spot there that's sore, I'll just put pressure on the trigger point, turn the head to hold the trigger point, and that relaxed there.
It's gone.
It's gone.
Yeah.
Okay. And my brother's the chiropractor out in Victoria, and he likes to do trigger point on the table. He really likes it when he gets his big brother on the table and he can bury his thumbs up to his wrist into me, and he pushes really hard and it really hurts. Well, when he got his T-zone, he started to do that to me on the table, and I said, whoa, we're going to do it on here. And he got up and did it on there, and it was, instead of a minute on the table of pain, it's 5 to 10 seconds of discomfort on the machine. It's just dramatic, the difference for me as the patient for that. Okay, sir?
Okay, good.
Does that answer your question?
Yes, thank you.
And my back is better.
Good. Thank you.